Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Thank you for connecting to this. This is DSK, and I got a package. So it's from DHL. I'm trying to guess what it is, but let's find out together. So let's unbox this together and find out what it is. But first of all, it has my name on it. Olusegun Adebayo from Soye. So let us tear it up and see, right? Let's bring everything out. It has this welcome to Finland. I'll read this one later. It has a couple of documents. It's not what I'm looking for. Okay, and I can see something here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. This is the resident permit card. On God, I'm so grateful to God for this. This took a whole lot of process. One great man once said that first time, if you're unlucky or if you don't succeed, you know what you're going to do? Try again. I'm grateful to God, and I have a message to anyone and everyone that is watching this. If you want something like this, I don't know where you are in your process, whether you're just about to gather courage to start, or you're in the middle of it, or you're finding information to get to this point where you can show yours like this too. I want to encourage you. It will end in praise and you will be successful. Okay? Just stay tuned to this channel, stay tuned to this page. I will do all I can to give you all of the information you need that will begin your journey to a better world, a better life. Thank you very much for unboxing with me. Look forward to watching your own unboxing video.